you don't think you need some financial education, you're the one I'm talking to right now. Hi, it's Paul Mauro. I'm back here at Smart Financial Lifestyles. My 3 books that are out have to do with wealth building, longevity planning, and grandparenting. They fall into 3 very specific areas of financial planning, and I have to say, it's been well publicized. Financial literacy in America is at an all-time low. So many new things are happening. So many new options are available that people need a lot of financial education and, frankly, some coaching. So, I ran a financial practice for 50 years, lots of financial advisors, super professionals managing money and doing all sorts of things. However, that's out of the reach of many people, and many financial advisors don't even take on small clients that are starting up. But you need to walk before you run. So here's what I'm going to ask you to do. Comment below, leave us a question, subscribe to the channel, and we are launching a couple of coaching courses, but we want to launch courses that are important to you, not to us. So let me describe them. First of all, wealth building. This is for people who are just starting out, that are trying to get their finances together. We're going to take the information that we've garnered in 50 years and 4,000 financial plans on people of all kinds of ages, from those with just a few dollars to invest to the clients that we've worked with $100 million. If you believe that you need to just get a little help before you go out and hire, very expensive firms and teams, you could be someone who wants some wealth building coaching. These are going to be self-study courses you can do on your own at home. They'll be digital. You can do them at your own pace. And we'll give you information right out of the books on how to take action to do your wealth building and become financially secure. That's course number 1. If you're a midlifer, if you just woke up and you're 50 years old and maybe you read my book on longevity or anybody else's, you have a high probability of living to 100. And the issues that you're going to confront are completely different than the issues of our parents and grandparents. You need to do some smart longevity planning. Longevity planning has to do with, number 1, getting the most for your investment dollar, cutting down fees, getting better returns, taking care of the big problems that can come along for you, avoiding losing all your money through your first bad investment, your first marriage, doing divorce proofing, bankruptcy protection, and things like that. These are very important. And also, because of the issue with Social Security that are well publicized, if you're 50 years old, you're probably looking at all the news on Social Security and saying, you're probably never going to get a check. Now, I don't believe that's totally true, but I think Social Security is going to be a much smaller part of your financial security in the future. We used to call it the 3 stools of financial support. Now it's like 2.5. Social Security isn't going to be as strong and robust and well funded as it has been in the past. There's a lot of reasons for this, and we can help you with our 5 steps in that longevity coaching program to help you get secure and plan for your future. Now, the 3rd course that we're going to do is just for grandparents. For our Smart Financial Grandparenting has all to do with late life financial problems and opportunities. Number 1, first and foremost, as this implies, if you're lucky enough to be a grandparent and you are looking in the crib at these little kids, you must think to yourself, how can I help them overcoming the first house purchase, outrageous education costs? Getting married and starting a family is expensive. Grandparents can do a tremendous amount, very economically, to help launch their grandchildren. Also, how do you avoid the problems of a lot of grandparents? It's very difficult when we see people that saved and built up a lot of money lose their money because of lack of insurance for long-term health care costs, lack of planning for their out-of-pocket medical expenses, and all those types of things. In our course on Smart Financial Grandparenting, it's all about you protecting and transferring your money to the people you like, especially those little people in your life that are going to be launched into a brave new world where AI is going to eliminate a lot of jobs, where housing is going to be outrageously expensive per square foot, and education, which is valuable, is going to be a premium product. So if you're interested in getting in line for one of the upcoming courses that are starting in January 2026, reach out to us below, leave us a comment, let us know how many of you are interested in each one of these different categories so we can put our time and effort into the things that matter to you. Because getting a little coaching And talking to somebody other than yourself is just part of the art of being smart.